Hi guys, today we are going to ride the train in Polish car driving. Like or subscribe if you want, and let's start it. So as now we are in the station and I see a train incoming. It's a carriage train. Let's take a look at it. Well, yes, this train doesn't has an interior, but in some like YouTube videos or like that, I saw that there was an electric train which did have an interior. So let's wait for it. Oh, I now hear a train incoming. Let me check. Oh, it's a freight train. Well, yes, we still have to keep waiting, but let's do it also spot. Well, yes, I think that train stopped because, like, sometimes, like, when a train stops, then there lets the other train like pass, or if in front of is, and for example, if we take on a passenger train in front of freight train, then the freight train just called crash because the passenger train stops in some stops while freight train just goes straight. So yeah, maybe it needed like a pause. Well, now it is going, but yeah, we still need to keep waiting. So now also, as I said, we are gonna do some spotting. I spotted this freight train.
Pociąg Regio ze stacji Słupsk do stacji Szczecin Główny przez stację Koszalin, Białogard, Stargard, Szczecin-Dąbie wjedzie na tor 7 przy peronie pierwszym. Prosimy zachować ostrożność i nie zbliżać się do krawędzi peronu.
So here comes the train. Finally, after waiting many minutes, it has arrived. So yes, we have proven that Polish car driving has actual non-playable character trains that also can be rideable.
Następna stacja Karwice.
It's also very nice to hear that this train also has the informator, so like we know. And as I make know that it like announced, it like said that the next stop is Karvice. Also, the ride feels realistic, so yeah, I confirm these trains are very like expanded time to make it all. And yeah, it's nice to ride a train. For example, like if you don't want to take the car, you can go with the train. And it's also, yeah, very, very cool.
Zbliżamy się do stacji Karwice.
So now we arrived at Karvice, and yeah, I see the platform is very low and with like all over with grass, not like maybe like the old style. So yes, let's also keep going with it. So we know if it has more stations. We just drove in a road and so it all reveals that the train only has one stop, like yeah. Basically, that's it. So, and also, bye guys, subscribe or like if you want, I don't need so much. And also join the Discord server, I will be very happy.